Boil pasta or spaghetti in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15. So we have boiling water. We have boiling water. Push behind, push your stomach. So now at home, when you want to cook spaghetti or pasta, you cook in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Say 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
And your spaghettis will be ready.
Ready.
So this is a fancy way of eating smokies or hot dogs in a fancy way.
You're back.
Yeah. In a fancy way. Aya, stop pushing.
Don't push, everybody will see. Come, welcome. What's your name? Prince Jaden. Welcome, Jaden. Come on this side.
Aya, now we have hot water. In goes our spaghetti. So we have said spaghetti originated from Italy. So Italy is a country. And in that country they eat spaghetti a lot. Yeah. So as we have said, so as we have said, 10 to 15 minutes. So we have 11:45. So at 12, our spaghettis will be ready. And now, as we do that, I hope your hands are clean. We are going to taste our pork cows. We are going to taste our hands are clean. So everyone two, okay? You see? Wait.
Two. Everybody two.
No, I'm not cooking. I'm smashing them because they have. No, they have stuck together because of the caramel of the sugar. Okay. So we are testing. We are. No, I'll start. Anyone in playgroup? Playgroup, hands up. Aya, stand. Take two. Okay, let me. Aya, hands, both hands. Playgroup. Yes. Are you in playgroup? Yes, or foundation or KG. Two hands. Yes. So guys, remember our pasta is still cooking for 11 to 15 minutes, okay? That is the best. Aya. Yes. Next, grade 1. Are they yummy? Grade 1, two hands. So cooking caramel popcorns is very easy. Grade 1. Aya, grade 2. Grade 1. Hands up. Aya, grade 2. Hands. Grade 1. Okay. So if they are over, I'll cook. Yeah.
Make sure you don't get burned.
Grade 2.
You might end up treating buns. The pan is hot.
Two hands. Grade 2 are over. Grade 2. Grade 2. Make sure you know how to grade 2. Grade 2. Aya grade 3 or 2. Grade 3.
Come on this side, you get it. Now.
Who raise up your hand?
Raise up your hand if you don't have.
I don't.
Behind there.
You haven't gotten and you, I know you are PP1, yeah? PP2. PP2 is here. Go, raise up your hand. Coach Charlie said you put your hand up.
Yes. Over. Aya.
Who else?
Now, who has grade 4?
You get here.
Aya. Now the big ones, you'll wait. I'll pop some more for you right away. Okay? You can taste, but I'll add more. Okay? Yes. Who has not?
Who has not tasted?
Have you tasted?
You're
Yes,
feeling
this
yummy.
one. Then I'll cook more. I'll cook.
Is it yummy? Is it nice? You like it?
Behind you, behind you. So,
Wow!
someone is saying still not enough. They want more and more and more.
What is that? Smell pumpkin. Wow! Teacher!
Yes. Aya, move.
You're gonna pop! Pop! Wow!
Hizo ndio zote.
Cold.
Oil, oil. Yes. We are ready to pop. We are ready to. We are ready to. Yes. We are popping caramel popcorns. Caramel. So, caramel is sugar. Caramel is
Sugar.
So we still have our threaded spaghetti. Threaded. Can you see the example, everyone? You see, very nice. Very. Yeah. Aya, move.
Pop now. Pop now. Enough. Bro.
So as we have said, you ask your auntie and your mommy to help you pop the popcorn. But if you're in grade 3, 4, 5, you can pop popcorns. You can pop popcorns. Yes.
Not the pickle guy. Wait.